David Glass. I'm pretty sure it's July 19th. It's Friday, and it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm at Baruch Beach here with Iman, and we're having a good old time. We found this abandoned chair. We got our stuff in a pile over here, the blankets, and this is a really, really nice beach. A lot of activity this morning. We got some surfers, a lot of people taking lessons. We got some fishermen over here. There's some swimmers. This person's got this floaty thing that's kind of new. We've been seeing people with. And it's cool because you can put your stuff in there, so you don't have to leave your stuff on the beach. These beaches here in Tel Aviv, you get a lot of, there's a lot of theft. People get their whole bag stolen sometimes. It's pretty bad. And anyway, I thought I'd start making this film because we got some young global leaders here, as Klaus Schwab would say, of the WEF, World Economic Forum. And looks like these are some kids who are, like, I don't know, training for IDF, or maybe this is the way the Boy Scouts do it here. This doesn't look like scouting to me. This looks like young global leaders, and it's Friday morning and they're training. We saw them carrying a guy around. These guys are low crawling it up the beach as if they're like going to Lebanon or something. Maybe they are. I don't know. As far as the war goes, I'm trying not to think about it too much. Last night the Houthis sent 4 missiles to Tel Aviv. Apparently one of them landed next to the U.S. Embassy. Me and Iman slept through the whole thing. We're down in Yafo. The sirens didn't go off, and the Iron Dome didn't protect us. And like I said, we slept through the whole thing. But one person was killed and 10 people were injured, so that's kind of a big deal. And it was Houthis over there in Yemen. And we've been using words for them that I can't say on camera here because of YouTube and all. And this is a religious girl who's actually taking surfing lessons, and you can tell it's a religious girl because she's wearing a big long skirt and everything. And I think that's pretty cool that she's taking surfing lessons. And here's some little kids with surfboards. And like I said, Tel Baruch is a really great beach. I think this is one of the best beaches in the world. It's definitely the best beach in Tel Aviv. Sorry it's been so long since I posted a video. Yeah, I love all my YouTube watchers and subscribers, and I'm thinking of you guys. And I don't want you to forget to visit my Etsy channel. Even though we're not talking about bicycles today, you can still buy one heck of a black and white t-shirt there. And check out the description. There's always some links in there and other stuff. Young global leaders. You ever seen this guy Klaus Schwab talk? The guy's a maniac with a lot of money. Anyhow, I'm fairly certain all these people are somewhat brainwashed, and they're going along with something that maybe they should not be. But like I was starting to say before, when it comes to the war, I've put it all out of my mind. I'm not judging anything anymore, except I'm all for killing the terrorists and getting the hostages back. And looks like you could see Herzliya all the way down there. I'm gonna zoom in and see how much yeah, that's Herzliya. That's actually outside of Tel Aviv. That's the next city up from Tel Aviv called Herzliya. And they got it's nice up there. They nice houses. They got boats. They got kids training for the military on the beach, doing military exercises. Anyway, I don't like this so much. I wish I wasn't seeing this on the beach. It does not remind me of nice things and peacefulness. And we're going up to this place, Agatha, for lunch later. Anyway, I'm having a great day. I hope you guys are all having a great day. It's a heck of a summertime. Yeah, bye-bye.